If you're experiencing login issues on ADP Run, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your credentials. Ensure that you are entering the correct username and password. Double check for any typos or case sensitivity, as passwords are often case sensitive. Step 2. Reset your password. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link on the login page to reset it. Follow the prompts to receive a password reset email and create a new password. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Sometimes stored data can cause login issues. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then try logging in again to see if that resolves the problem. Step 4. Disable browser extensions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SageRock to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact ADP support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to ADP customer support for assistance. They can help diagnose the issue and provide specific solutions tailored to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues on ADP Run. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.